Great communication begins with great storytelling. Whether you're talking to friends, pitching an idea, or leading a team, storytelling helps you influence and inspire. I'm Gary Lowe, storytelling coach and one of the judges for SCMP STANCE 2025. It's one thing for people to understand your ideas on an intellectual level, but it's something else entirely when they connect with your message emotionally. That's where real impact happens. So, how can we build a strong stance? First of all, make your message relatable. Try to incorporate an experience that your audience might have gone through before or can easily imagine. That builds connection. Secondly, always keep in mind what's in it for me. You might be fascinated with what you want to share, but what about the audience? Why should they care? What makes it interesting for them? Make sure you could answer that question for whatever content you want to share. Finally, make sure your message has clear takeaways. What are the lessons, sparks of inspiration, and stance you want your audience to walk away with? A strong ending leaves them thinking, feeling, and remembering your message. Your voice matters. Now it's time to share it. Tell your story and take your stance.